Do you know, friends, that the average salary of project manager in India is around 19 lakhs per annum, and in United States it's around 90,000 US dollars. These figures highlight the lucrative opportunities in the field of project management. Welcome to our tutorial on the project management roadmap for beginners. In this video, we will guide you through the essential steps to kickstart your career in project management. From understanding the key concepts to developing crucial skills to exploring popular methodologies and gaining practical experience, we have got you all covered. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clear path of becoming a successful project manager. So let's dive in. But before that, I request you guys that do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for further updates on our latest videos.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Just a quick info before we move on. Simplilearn has got PMP training course which covers all the core essential topics for project management professional. It includes topics such as emerging trends, new technologies and practices, and core competencies required to become a project manager. With an emphasis on strategic and business knowledge, the course also highlights the role of project manager. So hurry up now and join the course link. The course link is mentioned in the description box. So let's start, guys, first by understanding what exactly is project management. So guys, project management is an essential practice of planning, organizing, and overseeing a project to meet specific goals within a set time frame and budget. It involves defining the project scope, setting clear objectives, and coordinating all necessary resources like people, tools, and materials. A project manager's job is to make sure all the tasks are completed on time, within budget, and up to the desired quality standards. This requires effective communication, solid risk management, and quick problem-solving skills. Project management also means keeping an eye on the progress, making necessary adjustments, and ensuring all the stakeholders are informed on the same page with the project goals. There are various methodologies like Waterfall, Agile, Scrum, which offers different ways to handle projects. I hope so you have got a brief idea regarding this. Now let's move on and discuss briefly regarding what are the key skills needed to become a project manager. So guys, to be an effective project manager, you need to develop a diverse set of skills that will help you to navigate the complexities of managing projects. Here are some of the essential skills that project managers should have. The first one is communication. Clear and concise communication is very vital in this domain. You need to convey ideas, expectations, and updates to your team and stakeholders. Effective communication helps to avoid misunderstandings and keeps everyone aligned with the project goals. The second one is organization. Being organized is very crucial for managing multiple tasks, deadlines, and resources. An organized project manager can keep track of all the project components and ensures everything runs smoothly. Third one which we have is problem solving. Projects rarely go exactly as planned. So strong problem solving skills are very essential. You need to quickly identify issues, analyze possible solutions, and implement the best course of action to keep the project on track. Next one we have is leadership. Inspiring and motivating your team is a key aspect of project management. A good leader guides their team, delegates tasks effectively, and fosters a positive and productive work environment. Next one we have all over here, that is time management. So guys, prioritizing tasks and managing your time efficiently ensures that project milestones are met. Good time management helps you to stay on schedule, meet deadlines without compromising the quality. Next one we have is adaptability. Projects can be unpredictable sometimes. So being adaptable and flexible is very important. You need to adjust plans, strategies as necessary to accommodate changes and unforeseen challenges. And finally we have is solid risk management. You know, friends, that identifying potential risk and developing strategies to mitigate them is very crucial for project success. Effective risk management helps to minimize the impact of uncertainties on the project. So by honing these skills, you can become a more effective project manager, capable of leading your team to success and delivering projects that meet or exceed expectations. Now we are going to move forward to understand the core project management concepts. So guys, understanding core project management concepts is very essential for successfully managing the project. The first one that we have all over here is scope. So guys, scope defines what the project will deliver and work required to complete it. Clearly outlining the scope helps to prevent scope creep, where uncontrolled changes or continuous growth can derail the project. Next one we have all over here is resources. This involves identifying and allocating the necessary resources, including team members, tools, material, and budget. Efficient resource management ensures that the project has everything it needs to proceed without delays. The third one that we have all over here, that is schedule. So guys, the project schedule outlines the timeline for all tasks and milestones. Creating a detailed schedule helps you to keep the project on track and ensures that deadlines are met. The fourth one that we have all over here is budget. So guys, this is very important factor. And managing the project budget involves estimating cost, setting budget, and controlling expenses to ensure the project remains financially viable. Effective budget management helps prevent cost overruns. Finally, we have is risk management and quality. Let's first talk about risk management. So guys, identifying, assessing, and mitigating risk is very crucial. A proactive approach to risk management can help anticipate potential issues and develop contingency plans, reducing the impact of the project. If we talk about quality, then ensuring that the project meets the required standards and specification, it is very required for it to become a success. So quality management also involves setting quality criteria, continuously monitoring, and evaluating the project deliverables. Now let's move on and discuss about project management methodologies. So guys, project management methodologies provide a structured approaches to managing projects and ensuring efficiency and consistency. The first one that we are going to discuss all over here is called Waterfall model. It is a linear and sequential approach where each phase of the project must be completed before moving on to the next. It's best suited for projects with well-defined requirements and minimal changes. The next one that we have all over here is called Agile. Actually, Agile is an iterative and flexible approach that focuses on delivering small, incremental improvements. Agile promotes adaptability and continuous feedback, making it ideal for projects with evolving requirements. The third one that we have all over here is called Scrum. Scrum is basically a subset of Agile. Scrum breaks into the project for short, time-bound iteration called sprint, which basically lasts for 2 to 4 weeks. So, in this, there are regular meetings such as daily stand-ups and sprint reviews, which ensures constant progress and feedback. So guys, choosing the right methodology depends upon the project's nature, requirement, and team dynamics. Ensuring a tailored approach to project management is very crucial. Now let us discuss about some of the tools that you should be aware of if you want to become a project manager. Effective project management relies on the tools to organize, track, and manage tasks efficiently. Some of the popular project management are, the first one that we have is Trello. Trello is a visual tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks and projects. It's highly intuitive and flexible, making it ideal for teams that prefer a straightforward, visual approach to managing tasks and tracking progress. Next we have all over here is Asana. Asana offers a comprehensive suite of features for task management, project planning, and team collaboration. With its ability to create projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress, Asana helps to ensure that everyone stays on the same page. The third one that we have all over here is called Microsoft Project. This tool is a powerful project management software which is used for planning, scheduling, and managing projects. It offers advanced features like Gantt charts, resource management, portfolio management, making it suitable for complex projects. Next one that we have all over here is called Jira. Originally designed for software development teams, Jira is an excellent tool for managing agile projects. It supports Scrum and Kanban methodologies, which enables teams to plan sprints, track issues, and monitor progress through detailed reporting. Next one that we have all over here is called Slack. While primarily it is a communication tool, but Slack integrates with many project management tools to facilitate seamless collaboration. Teams can communicate in real time, share files, integrate other tools to create a centralized hub for project activities. So these were some of the tools that you should be aware of, and by leveraging these tools, project managers can enhance their productivity, improve collaboration, and ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. Now let us move to our final part, that is certification and education. So guys, pursuing formal education and certifications can significantly enhance your career in the project management. Here are some of the key educational paths and certifications you can consider if you want to become a project manager. The first one is degree programs. A bachelor's degree in business administration, management, or a related field provides a strong foundation in essential business and management principles. For those seeking advanced knowledge, a master's degree in project management or an MBA with focus on project management can offer a depth expertise and improve career prospects. The next one that we have all over here is called Certified Associate in Project Management. This entry-level certification is from Project Management Institute and it is ideal for beginners. It actually demonstrates your understanding of fundamental projects and management concepts and prepares you for more advanced certification. A third one that we have all over here is called Project Management Professional. It also offered by PMI Institute. The PMP certification is one of the most recognized and respectable credentials in the field. It requires significant project management experience and demonstrates your ability to manage and lead projects effectively. The next one that we have all over here is called Scrum Master Certification. For those interested in Agile project management, the Scrum Master certification validates your expertise in Scrum practices. It is suitable for project managers working in dynamic and fast-paced environments. Next one that we have all over here is called Prince2 certification. It stands for Projects in Controlled Environments. This certification focuses on structured project management method suitable for managing projects with a defined framework. It is widely used in the UK and internationally. Next one that we have all over here is called Six Sigma certifications. The Six Sigma methodologies focus on improving processes and reducing defects. Certifications like Six Sigma Green Belt and Black Belt are valuable for project managers aiming to enhance efficiency and quality in their project. Next one that we have all over here is called Agile Certified Practitioner or PMI ACP certification. This certification is from PMI and it validates your knowledge and skills in Agile processes. It covers various Agile methodologies including Scrum, Kanban, Lean, and many more, making it ideal for those who are working in Agile project environments. The next one that we have all over here is called Certified Scrum Product Owner CSPO certification. This certification is for those who want to focus on the product owner role within a Scrum team. It teaches you how to manage product backlogs, prioritize work, and ensure that the team delivers high-value products. So guys, by pursuing these educational paths and certification, you can build a strong knowledge base and gain practical skills, and also enhance your credibility in the field of project management. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope so you would have enjoyed our today's video on Project Management Roadmap at Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.